now that we're going to be moving into the high kick category, and our first team is from Brainerd, Minnesota.
As a Brainerd High School graduate, I never thought anything could top my own dance team experience, winning state and national titles and performing at the Tokyo Dome. But watching my 3 daughters experience the same traditions, culture, and growth under the leadership of Cindy Clow was even more meaningful.
I graduated in 1995, and I've known Cindy my whole life. In my current job, I have to be prompt and on time. So Cindy and Kixters have taught me that early is on time is late.
I was a Brainerd Kixter from 1976 to 1979. My time as a Kixter taught me how to be a good team member, self-discipline, the little things I can do every day to be a better person, and there is always something to learn from others.
I was a Brainerd Kixter from 1996 to 1999. Cindy has been a major mentor in my life. After college, I was lucky enough to come back and coach with Cindy for 8 years. She's built a legacy, and it has been an honor to be a part of it. Once a Kixter, always a Kixter.
I was a Brainerd Kixter from 1999 to 2003. Kixters made me understand the importance of teamwork and collaboration to meet goals. I hope that everyone gets to experience such a special team environment in their lifetime.
I've had the privilege of working alongside Cindy Clow for many years. I've not only been a coach with her, but I was a member of the Brainerd High School Warrior Dance Team, the Kixters. I've learned so much from her and appreciate everything she has done. She's a role model, for sure. It's so awesome that for 50 years, she's poured her heart and soul and passion into the art of dance, shaping not only graceful movements on the floor, but also strong, confident, independent women and men. Through discipline, encouragement, and endless dedication, you've inspired generations to believe in themselves, to strive for excellence, and to find joy in every step.
I was a Brainerd Kixter from 2010 to 2015. Kixters taught me the value of hard work and that challenges shouldn't stop you. They should just push you to work even harder. Now as a teacher, I try to instill that same mindset in my students.
I was on the Brainerd Kixters from 2013 to 2017. Being on Kixters taught me to work hard even when nobody's watching, and that it doesn't matter who the credit goes to as long as the job gets done.
Kixters has taught me so much in life, lessons in hard work, determination, and grit. I truly wouldn't be living my dream of being a dance teacher without the incredible impact this program and Cindy have had on my life.
My years as a Kixter taught me many lessons. Some of the most influential were being part of something bigger than myself, hard work, and discipline. These lessons have transcended into my everyday life and have supported me as a wife, mother, and within my career in the finance industry. I'm grateful to now have 2 young girls which are growing up in the sport of dance under Cindy and Allie's leadership, where they will learn some of these very crucial life lessons as well.
Cindy has taught me a lot of life skills starting at age 6 with baton lessons at the YMCA. She's a wonderful role model for young women and has taught all of us teamwork, creativity, discipline, and perseverance. Once a warrior, always a warrior. Once a Kixter, always a Kixter. Love you, Cindy.
I was a Brainerd Kixter from 1991 to 93, and being on the team helped me to realize that I can accomplish anything I set my mind to with hard work. I'm now a teacher at Brainerd High School, and I continue with that hard work today.
I was on the Brainerd dance team from 1983, 84, and 85. The thing that I brought forward in my life from my experience was hard work, dedication, team sourcing, and sense of community. Those are the things that I cherish most about my time on the dance team, as well as all of the fun that we had.
I was a Brainerd Kixter from 1986 to 89. Cindy taught me more than how to twirl the baton and dance. She taught me tenacity and how to be an entrepreneur as I started my own dance shoe and nets company. But the best thing I learned from Cindy was how to be brave and to face life's challenges with a positive mindset.
I think the most important thing about being a Brainerd Kixter was the confidence that it gave me and many young dancers. I believe it helped me in all aspects of my life, and I'm so grateful for that.
I was on your team from 2002 until 2005, and you have taught me the value of hard work and determination and to never give up. And for that, I owe you so much gratitude.
Kixters was so important to me and taught me so many things. But the thing that sticks out the most
that I still live by is early is on time is late.
I was a Brainerd Kixter from 1994 to 1997. My time on the team instilled in me a strong work ethic. Also, I believe I'm a morning person because back in the 90s, we practiced early in the morning so we could actually have gym space.
I was a proud Brainerd Kixter from 1992 to 1995. Cindy and the Brainerd Kixters taught me how to work hard, be persistent, be creative, and be grateful. And I've used every single one of those attributes in life as a journalist and an entrepreneur.
I was on Kixters from 2016 to 2020. I'm so grateful for my time on the team. It taught me how to work hard, show up, and not only push for myself, but push for other people. I'm so grateful for Kixters and Cindy.
I was on the dance team from 2015 to 2016, 2017. It really truly has brought me so many awesome things and people. I just wanted to say thank you from the bottom of my heart, and I'm so excited to be a part of this alumni.
Programs like this, cultures like this, success like this, it doesn't happen by chance. It happens when you have the right leadership. And for 50 years, the Kixters have benefited from the steadfast leadership of Cindy Clow. As we celebrate the 50th anniversary of the Kixters, Cindy, I hope you're able to take it all in. I hope you're able to reflect on all that you've built, all the good that you've done, the countless lives you've impacted. You're a true pioneer, and boy, we are lucky to have you as our coach. So tonight, as we celebrate the Kixters, we also celebrate you.
I'm grateful for the experiences. Thank you.
I love you, Cindy, and here's to 50 years of the Brainerd Warrior Dance Team.
Woo! Go Kixters!
Thank you so very much.
I am forever grateful to be a part of this legacy.
Love you lots, forever and ever.
Here's to 50 years of excellence, tradition, and team spirit.